how to get more FPS in Brawl Stars in iOS. So, in order to do that, you need to make sure your iPhone can handle the game. So, you must close unused apps, reboot your device, clear internal storage, and some other tweakings on your device. Now, for other ways, you can get frames per second or FPS in Brawl Stars if you adjust the settings. So make sure you update the Brawl Stars on your iOS device, make sure it's running on the latest version, and then make sure that background apps are closed. So make sure there are no other running apps on the background on your iOS device. And then you want to lower the graphic settings. So the game settings, you can go to the settings in the game, look for the graphics or visual settings, and then reduce it like the resolution and the shadows, turn it off, and set them to lowest. And then you want to restart your device. So restarting your phone can help clear temporary files and then refresh the system memory. You can also enable like high frame rate mode. So if you want, you can enable the high frame rate mode in the game as long as it won't heat up your phone. You can also disable low power mode. So if you're using an iOS and you have your low power mode on, that's most likely the cause of the lag. So make sure to turn that off. And then check for updates. So maybe your iOS device needs to get updated and then you might want to free up some storage if you don't have any more storage. And then you might want to consider upgrading your device if it's an old model. And that's how you can basically get more FPS in Brawl Stars in your iOS device.